Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to use last-child in CSS Selector locator. So let's get started. As part of this session, I'm going to solve the challenge that I have mentioned here on this sample application page. For that, first I'll open the browser and take you to the sample application page, which is on my name. First you need to type my first name Arun, then last name Motori dot github.io/m3 .html. Once you press enter, you will be taken to this page where you will see all the 10 paragraphs. Now right click on the blank area on the page and select inspect option. You will get the Google Chrome DevTools here. Expand the HTML code in this Google Chrome DevTools and now click on the double arrow and select Selectors Hub. Here we can write the CSS selector for locating the elements on the web page. Now we are going to solve this challenge. As part of this challenge, we have to use last-child in the CSS selector locator for finding the last paragraph on the page. So here you can clearly see there are 10 paragraphs. No matter how many paragraphs are there, you need to locate the last one. Okay, you don't know the number of the last one, let's say. Okay, there can be even 50 paragraphs or 100 paragraphs, whatever the number of paragraphs are there on this page doesn't matter, but you need to write a proper CSS selector locator which is using the last-child which can locate the last paragraph on the page. Doesn't matter whether the 10th paragraph is the last paragraph or 15th is the last paragraph or 50 is the last paragraph or 100th paragraph is the last paragraph. It doesn't matter. How to do that? So initially, to locate the paragraphs on this page or paragraph elements on this page, generally paragraphs in HTML will have the p tag. So if you type p as a CS selector here, this CS selector will locate all the paragraph elements on this page. Press enter. You see all the paragraph elements on this page are getting located. How many are there? Total 10 paragraphs are there. So 10 elements are getting located here. But our requirement is to locate the or find the last paragraph on the page. For that, we can take the help of last-child last-child we can use. So here after the P, write colon and say last-child and press enter. Using this CSS selector, you are locating only one paragraph, which is nothing but the last paragraph. Whether this paragraph is a 10th or 15th or 50 or 100th, doesn't matter. If it is the last paragraph, it will get located. Out of all the paragraphs available here, the last paragraph will get located, guys, by using colon last-child in this CS selector. So how does this colon last-child works here? So before this colon last-child, which tag is there? P. Okay. So this P tag will locate or this PCS selector will locate all the paragraphs on this page. All this number of paragraphs on this page will get located by this, by just typing here P and press enter. All the 10 paragraphs or whatever the number of paragraphs on this page are getting located. So who is a parent of this P tag? Parent of the P tag is body. Under the body only, all these P tags which are getting located by using this PCS selector are there. Okay. So body is a parent of this P tags, which this PCS selector is actually locating. Now, if I write colon last-child, what will happen is it will find out, okay, this colon last-child will find out who is the parent of the P tag. Okay, for all these P tags, body is a parent. Under this body, what is the last child? Okay, a tag level searching will be done, guys. Okay, the parent of this CS selector is body. Okay, under this body, lot of P tags are there. In that, which one is coming last? This one is coming last. That last paragraph tag under the parent tag will get located, guys. This is how it works. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, so this is a example. So this is example or solution for solving this challenge, guys. So what's the solution for this challenge? Finding the last paragraph on the page can be done by writing this kind of CS selector. First, locate the paragraph tags, all the paragraph tags, colon, last-child. By doing that, who is the parent of the P tag? Body. Under the body, last position, child, having the P tag should get located. So that got located here. That is the last paragraph is getting located. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.